Children, today we are going to do word family of A. Okay, but can you tell me how many vowels are there? Yes, there are 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so we are going to do word family of A. But what is a family? A family is a, like you have at your home your mama, papa, brother, sister, they are your family now. Same way, all the vowels, they have their family. When a vowel is there and a consonant attached with it, mixed with it, it becomes its family. Okay, so shall we start this? Yes, you all are ready? Excited? Okay. Tell me. A says A, B says B. This is a vowel and I have added a consonant with it. So, this is the family of A letter. A says A, B says B. What is this? A, B. Ab. This is ab. A says A, C says K. A, K. Egg. This is egg. A says A, D says D. What it become? Ad. A, D. Okay. A says A, F says F. What it become? F. A says A, G says G. What it becomes? Ag. What? Ag. A says A, J says J. What it become? Edge. A says A, K says K. What is this? Ag. Okay, you understood? Now it has other numbers as well. A says A, L says L. It becomes L. A says A, N says N. M. It becomes M. A, M. Am. A says A, N says N. An. A says A, P says P. App. App. A says A, S says S. What it become? As. A says A, T says T. At. A says A, X says Z. What it become? Eggs. Okay. So these are the family members of A. This is the family of A. What we will do? See, we have studied this. A, D, add. Add. Okay, this is the family of add. A, and. Okay. Now can you tell me? This is a vowel or a consonant? Yes, this is a consonant. And this is a also consonant. This is D. This is P. D says D. P says P. P says P. Okay, what we will do here, we will form 3-letter words. But this is 2-letter words, 1, 2. So we have to add one more letter with this. So we will add a consonant with it. Okay. So let's try. C. D goes to meet the family. AD. Add. Add. The goes to family. Add. It goes to meet family of A. Add. Okay. When they meet, they talk, they share something, they are very excited and they become friends. So when they become friends, they join each other. Okay. So what it becomes? I will write D. D says the. This is add. We have studied here add. Okay. So I will write A, B, add. This is D says the. This is add. Okay. So So when you mix it, D, add, the add, dad, it becomes dad. Okay, this is how we read it. Okay, now next, this is P. P says per, right? And this is A and and. We have studied this now. A and. Same way, P goes to and family, meet and family. They meet, they talk, and they become friends. Like you have friends now, they all become friends. Okay. So what they will make? They will make a family. 3-letter word. Okay. This is P. P says per. This is and. I will write A and over here. Okay. Let's make the sound. P says per. And says A says e. And says n. This is and. This is per. Pan. Per and. Pan. Per and pan. Okay. This is the dad and pen. Okay. So children, we have studied word family of A, that and 2-letter words of A. This is the A family. Okay, 2-letter A family. Now what we will do? We will do 3-letter. Okay. See, I have taken this from the A family, 2-letter. Okay. What is this? A says A. B says B. What it becomes? Ab. We have studied here now. Ab. This is ab. Okay. Now for making 3-letter words, what we do? We add one more letter. These are 2. We have to add one more letter with it. So I have added C here. This is your ab. A family, 2-letter ab. Okay. With this I have added C. C says K. This is ab. So C says K, ab. Cab. What it become? It will become C says K. This is ab. It will become cab. This is cab. What it become? C A B. This is ab. This is the cab. We will read it like this. Cab. Okay. Now one more. I have taken here AB as well. So this is ab. This is ab. I have added a consonant D. D says the. D says the. So what it will become? The ab. The ab. This is the ab. Means we will join them, then it will become dab. This is the ab. Dab. This is dab. Okay, these are 2 ab family, ab words. Okay, we have done cab and dab. I will show something. See, what I have taken, this is A says and D says the. We have studied here now. This is add. What we read it? Add. A says a, D says the. This is add. Okay, now we will make 3-letter words out of it. I have added P. P says per. This is add. Here I have told you now, this is add. Now you help me to read it down. P says per. This is add. Per, add. What we will make? Pad. What is this? P says per. This is add. Per, add. Pad. Okay. Which word is formed? Pad. This is a 3-letter word. P-A-D. Pad. Per, add. Pad. See, this is your AD, add. The add. I have added S before this. So S says sir. S says sir. So what sound? What will become? Sir. Add. Sir. Okay, children. Now we will do other family words. Okay. What is this? A says a. G says the. It become egg. What it become? Egg. Okay. So let's start. We will make 3-letter words. Okay with this? See, first what you do, you search the family word of A. Underline it with this, like this. This is your A, G, egg. A says egg. G says the egg. Okay. I have added a consonant. This is B. B says B. B says B. So what it will become? B. Egg. B. Egg. Bag. B says B. AG says egg. B. Egg. What it will become? Bag. It will become bag. Okay. See. Here also we will search the family word. This is AG. Egg. You have found it. Now I have added T. Consonant T. T says T. AG. Egg. T. Egg. T. Egg. Tag. What we call it? T says T. AG says egg. We call it tag. T. Egg. Tag. Okay, you understand? Now, I have taken one more family word. This is am. Here I have written, I have taught you. A says a, am says m. Am. What will become? Am. See, in this I will count the family word first. This is am. You know the sound now? Am. I have added a consonant J. So, J says J. J says J. So what it will become? J am. J am. Jam. J am. Jam. When we read it together, it becomes J am. Jam. Okay. See, here also I have written. I have searched family word. This is am. Am. We will underline it. Now I have added a consonant R. I have added a consonant R. R says R. R says R. So what it will become? R am. R am. Ram. What it become? R am. Ram. Okay. So we have studied AG family, BAG bag, tag. AM family, JM, jam, RAM, ram. Okay, children?